Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming both files are saved and accessible. This prevents broken links later. Open the Excel workbook and the Word document together so you can copy from Excel and paste into Word. Select exactly the cell, range, or chart you want a link. Write down the sheet name and range to avoid mistakes. Once done, press Ctrl+C to copy the selection in Excel. Make sure Excel stays open while you switch to Word to preserve the clipboard and link context. Now in Word, place the cursor where you want live data. Use Home Paste Special. Select Paste Link and pick Microsoft Excel Worksheet object so the data remains linked. This creates an embedded object that references the Excel file rather than a static picture, so updates flow through. Resize or align the object as needed. If it's a range, you can double-click to edit source formatting. Once set, save both files to lock the link and maintain the path for automatic updates. To finish, control how Word updates linked data. Go to File Info, Edit Links to update, change source, or break the connection. You'll want to test by editing the Excel source and hitting Update Now in Word so you confirm live behavior. If a link breaks, check the file path, workbook name, and exact sheet/range. Typos are the most common culprit. Also make sure network paths and permissions match for others. Otherwise, advise saving a copy or embedding a static snapshot as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.